Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security over here, somewhere here, and tap on screen lock. Then pick one of those login methods, swipe pattern, pin or password, and tap on the best one for you. Following that, you need to enter it just next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then select confirm at the bottom right corner as well. And select one of those options for your notifications on lock screen. Show all, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with that one and select done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!